So now for the moment we have all been waiting for, me especially, we have the Shein box. Drum roll. All right, kids, don't do this at home. Okay, let me stop.
You are really dumb, for real.
Cut away from yourself. We'll do that work. Okay, so never have I ever felt like I found an online store where they pretty much have everything that you want and it's at the price that you want. So I personally did not know if this was like a fake website, if they were scammers, if it was gonna be one of those cases where like you order clothes, you get them and they're like this big, like the shirts are like Barbie doll size or something.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I did my research. I pretty much seen like a bunch of people on YouTube posting videos, and so I was like, okay, I think this is a legit company. And so I just went and tried them out. And you guys, literally, this box is full of stuff. Like, I feel like I literally got to go on an online shopping spree. So I'm extremely excited to open these clothes up and to pretty much show you guys what I got. And plus, I don't really remember what I got, so it's a surprise for both of us.
Oh my God.
Okay, so to start off, I think I ordered, yes, this is a bathing suit. And look at the packaging. This is adorable. I want it to really be bright. This is what the top looks like. The material feels nice. And no, I'm not getting paid. I don't have a sponsorship with these guys, so I would love to, because I would love to receive, you know, clothes for free. But hey, so these are the bottoms, and these are supposed to be high-waisted. So I will also be doing another video. I will link it at the top of me trying these clothes on, just so you guys can see what they look like, you know, while they're actually on you. This is the first thing that we opened up, was the swimming suit. Y'all, their packaging is just really cute. Like, this is really creative, where they actually put some thought into it. It's not just wrapped in plastic. This is a shirt that I got. This is really cute. The material is not cheap at all. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I was nervous about ordering stuff from fashionable because the material would be a little off. So, a little bit on the cheap side. But so far, I'm liking these clothes. So I ordered some jeans. These jeans feel good too, although they may be a little bit too big, but we'll see. So these are the jeans that I ordered, and I will hold them up so you guys can see them. And then they also have rips on the back. Okay, so we have another pair of jeans. And I really love, if you guys can't tell, I love the ripped jeans. And these also have the rips on the back. Then I think I ordered me a sweater. Oh, this is nice. Yay! So this is my sweater that I ordered. And look at the little fringes that they have. And the little cut in the front. I cannot wait to try these things on. Like, these are cute.
You better work.
So, what is this? Oh shoot, this is my other bathing suit. Ooh. Hold up. Oh my gosh, what did I order? Is this a bathing suit or a shirt? Okay, this is a shirt. I really don't remember what I ordered. So this is another top. And this is what it looks like in the front. And this is what it looks like in the back. So I am taking a trip to California here pretty soon. So I decided to get like a little California shirt so I can represent where I'm from, you know. Not really, I'm not from California, but a lot of people ask me that, so that's where I say I'm from. But yeah, this shirt is really cute. And this is the back. Got a lot of stuff with the back out. Ooh. So this is a dress. You guys are probably like, what? That looks like a shirt. No, it's a dress. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. And this is the little lace that you put on the back side. Yes, I know I have good taste. What can I say? So this feels amazing. So this is the dress that I got, and I cannot wait to try this on. Oh, I hope I can fit this. Hope it's not too big or not too tight. Ooh, I don't like the smell though, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is a little cute rubbery dress. And I thought it looked really cute on the model online, so we will see what it looks like on me. What is this? I don't know about this, y'all. What the heck did I order? Did I order this? Seriously? I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember ordering this.
Get your shit together.
I am definitely gonna have to. Okay, this is a dress. Maybe this will look cute on. I don't remember ordering this. A halter shirt. So I definitely need another one of these. And we will see how this fits because this feels kind of loose. Alright, they have to package everything individually. Y'all can put some stuff in the same bag. This is another dress, I believe. Ooh. Now this is what I like. So here is the front of the dress. Here is the back of the dress. And I will say I really did like ordering with them because I'm pretty sure this stuff, I think I ordered this stuff last week and I got it. So what? That's been, I think it's been like 3 or 4 days, honestly. And I ordered all this stuff. So they did a really good job. So this is another shirt and I just went ahead and went with the black. Here's the front and here is the back. And I'm starting to notice maybe I wanted a lot of stuff with the back out when I was ordering things. Because that's what I'm noticing. I don't know what I was thinking with this, but we will see what this dress looks like. Hopefully this dress looks cute on. Because I'm like, I'm getting like a iffy vibe. I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. So this is another dress and this is really cute. Look how long it is. And you can like kind of tie it on the sides. So now I have this black dress and of course, yes, you guys guessed it, it has the back out. So my back is definitely gonna be blacker than the rest of my body. Or darker than the rest of my body. If I can figure out how this goes. Okay, so here is the back of the dress. And here is the front of the dress. And again, I will be trying this stuff on so you guys will see how it actually looks. We are almost done. If you guys have watched this long, you should definitely click the subscribe button, like this video, and also comment on which outfit or what item that you really like the best and which item you like the least. So this is another winter dress. And I'm hoping this fits good because it looks a little big and the material is like really stretchy. So this was just a cute top that I seen. So here is another bathing suit that I ordered. And this is what it looks like. So we're definitely gonna have to, I'm definitely gonna try this on to see how this looks. Ooh. So I got this black dress and of course, again, with the back out. These are very classy. So these are some boots that I ordered. They feel amazing. Hopefully I do not mess these up fast because I'm really hard on shoes. Is these cute, 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 cute. thigh-high boots. They tie at the top at the back, and then they also zip up on the side. But these look really nice, so I cannot wait to try these on and let you guys see how they look. Hope you guys really like all of the things that I bought. Again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Put what item you liked the best and also the item that you like the least. I love you all. Bye, loves.